Hello. This is a new Blender template. You can easily change all parameters. Quickly attach objects or PNG files to animation. And also change the background. Be sure to look at my lessons on editing templates. You can download this template by the link in the description. Select the text. Press Tab to enter edit mode. Write any text. How do I add any object to animation? To delete an object, click X. Create an object or upload your model. Select object. Press Shift and select empty. Press Ctrl plus P. Select object. Ready. How do I change the color? Select an object. Go to Material Settings. Choose any color. To render, go to the Output Properties section. Select a folder to save. And the format in which you want to render. You can choose frame by frame PNG, or immediately save it in MPEG video format. After that, go to the timeline and make sure you have one frame selected. Then click Render and render animation. You can download the blend file from the link in the description. Thanks for watching.